How to set up SentriConnect. SentriConnect allows any non-SentriLock subscriber to temporarily access the property. The process begins with the listing agent granting SentriConnect access to the user. The user will receive an email invitation to download the SentriConnect mobile app and complete the registration process. Once downloaded, launch the SentriConnect mobile app. Tap the Create Account button and enter the required information for registration. When you are finished registering, an email will be sent to you to complete the registration process. Please be sure to open this email on your mobile device to activate your account. Note: SentriConnect is a one-time registration process. Once you have created an account, you will not need to register again. How to open a SentriLock Bluetooth lockbox with SentriConnect. Once registered, the user will be able to access any property that the listing agent has granted. Start by launching the SentriConnect app. To access the lockbox, you must allow location access and enable Bluetooth on your device. Press the enter button on the lockbox you'd like to access. This will establish a Bluetooth connection. The lockbox will open, and you will receive a message confirming your access. The listing agent will also receive a notification that the lockbox has been accessed. You may review your accesses by selecting the messages icon.